What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2026 Nissan Sentra. So we need to be in the Sentra with the vehicle either running or the ignition in the on position. Then I'm going to be using these buttons on the right hand side of the steering wheel here. So the first thing you want to do is scroll left or right and keep scrolling left or right until we get over to the settings menu. That's going to be the one that looks like a little gear right there. Once we have that highlighted, I'm going to press the OK button. The OK button is this round kind of roller ball. I'm going to press that in. That's going to take us to the settings menu. Once we have the settings menu up, I'm going to use this arrow to scroll down and keep scrolling down until we get to maintenance. Once we have maintenance highlighted, I'm going to again press that OK button. That's going to take us to our maintenance screen. You can see the top item there is oil control system. So we have that highlighted. I'm going to press OK. That's going to take us to this page that shows how many miles are due before the engine oil change. Once we have this screen up, I'm going to press the OK button again. And it's asking, do we want to reset it? I'm going to arrow down until yes is highlighted like that, and then press that OK button in again. And then as you can see there, it's been reset. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.